Imagine walking through a dense forest, sunlight filtering through the leaves, the air filled with the sounds of life. Now imagine this forest lies hidden beneath the surface of the water, unseen by most of the world, yet teeming with life. These are the underwater forests, mysterious ecosystems unlike anything on land, thriving in places we rarely think to look. But how do these forests exist, and what secrets do they hold? Join us as we dive into the depths of these incredible underwater worlds. From ancient submerged forests that have been drowned for millennia, to vast kelp forests swaying in the ocean currents, underwater forests are some of the most fascinating ecosystems on Earth. In today's video, we'll be exploring the most stunning underwater forests across the globe, diving into their ecosystems and uncovering the incredible life they support. First, let's talk about what an underwater forest really is. Underwater forests can be formed from submerged terrestrial trees, like ancient trees preserved underwater, or from dense growths of marine plants like kelp. While some forests were once above the water and have been submerged over time, others are made up of towering kelp that can grow up to 150 feet tall, creating underwater forests that rival those on land. These ecosystems are not only fascinating for their beauty, but are critical to marine life. They provide shelter, food, and breeding grounds for thousands of species, playing a vital role in the underwater food chain. Let's explore some different types of underwater forests. In the coastal waters of California, Australia, and South Africa, you'll find the magnificent kelp forests, massive underwater ecosystems that stretch as far as the eye can see. The unique structure of these giant kelps provides a safe haven for marine life, from sea otters to fish to invertebrates like sea urchins. On the other hand, you'll also find submerged ancient forests, such as the 10,000-year-old cypress trees in Alabama's Gulf, or the sunken trees of Lake Kayindi in Kazakhstan. These underwater forests are time capsules, holding secrets from eras long past. So why are these underwater forests so important? Like rainforests, these submerged ecosystems help regulate the health of the planet. They store carbon, produce oxygen, and serve as breeding grounds for marine species. Their dense growths act as natural barriers, protecting coastlines from storms and reducing erosion. But it's not just the marine life they support. These forests are also essential to the health of our oceans and lakes. The biodiversity found in underwater forests helps maintain balance in the ecosystem, ensuring that the food chain remains intact and that the environment stays resilient. However, like many ecosystems, underwater forests are under threat. Climate change, pollution, and deforestation are major challenges. Rising temperatures and ocean acidification are causing kelp forests to decline, while sunken forests are at risk from human activity and water pollution. Without these critical ecosystems, the species that rely on them, from tiny sea slugs to large predators like sharks, could face extinction, further disrupting marine biodiversity. But there's still hope. Conservation efforts around the world are working to protect and restore underwater forests. From marine protected areas that shield these habitats from human interference to projects that aim to replant kelp, scientists and environmentalists are joining forces to preserve these crucial ecosystems. And you can help too. Whether it's supporting marine conservation organizations, reducing your plastic consumption, or spreading awareness about the importance of these ecosystems, every action makes a difference. The next time you swim in the ocean or stroll along a beach, remember that below the surface, an entire world of forests lies hidden, teeming with life. These underwater worlds are essential to the health of our planet, and it's up to us to ensure they thrive. If you enjoyed learning about the underwater forests of the world, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of our planet. And let us know in the comments, which underwater forest would you want to explore? Dive in and explore with us. Subscribe for more eco-explorations.